Hello and welcome. The global education system is on the brink of a massive evolution, and the frameworks we build today will determine how the next generation learns. We are assembling a dedicated collective of exactly 5 individuals to step into our new AI computer discovery lab and design an entirely localized open AI education system from the ground up. This program is an intensive hybrid fellowship built entirely on collaborative momentum. We will meet through highly interactive virtual Zoom sessions for deep dive strategy, combined with intense, hands-on physical labs. Because the cohort is strictly capped at 5 people, this operates on the principle of osmosis, where your unique background, curious mind, and shared responsibility actively shape the actual platform we construct. You are not just a participant, you are part of an engineering collective. Over the course of the fellowship, you will transition completely from foundational computer skills directly into bleeding-edge sovereign tech deployment. Together, we will master sovereign infrastructure, learning how to physically build an AI server framework from scratch. Local language models, loading, configuring, and optimizing open LLMs directly onto local systems to achieve complete data privacy and independence. Knowledge base curation, structuring deep, task-specific datasets for specialized areas of study. The vibe coding frontier, discovering how to converse fluently with AI through advanced prompting to rapidly build custom developer skills and applications. Data pipelines, transitioning files via secure FTP, establishing skill blueprints, and moving code fluidly from prompt to product. Why are we focusing on-device local infrastructure? Because the world needs a nimble, customizable alternative to massive, cloud-dependent monopolies. This team will establish the blueprint for how customized teaching looks going forward. You don't need an advanced computer science degree to apply, just an insatiable appetite to learn, get your hands dirty with hardware, and disrupt the status quo. If you are ready to stop consuming technology and start engineering the future of learning, your seat is at the table. Click the link on this page, submit your application, and join us in the engine room. Let's build something that matters.